here at the Nova. I was getting ready to get the subframe connector set in there. That way when I go to put the rear end in, I bolt the back ones up and tighten up the body mount bushings. The passenger side's good. The driver's side is spinning freely. The nut inside the cage must have broke off. So now I get to take the seat out and cut a little access panel in there so I can get to the nut and re-weld it. So it should be fun. Let's get to work. What's up, guys? I finally got that bolt out, and the subframe connectors ain't gonna be able to go in until the rear end, because I was gonna try to put the plate up in, but if I do that, I ain't gonna be able to get the bolt in for the front leaf spring. But as you can see here, I actually had to, ain't the best job here, but I had to grind that off a little bit to get the bolt head to fit. Besides that, I think I should be alright. I just took the old brake line off. I'm gonna get ready to run a new brake line here. And I'll probably finish my night off. We'll have to wait, get an extra set of hand, try to get that rear end under there. But, let me show you the other side here. Here's the other side there. I notched out to get the bolt to fit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this new brake line on. I just took the old brake line off. And there's about copper nickel line there I'm gonna run front to the back. And then I just put these, made a little bracket for my T-fitting, and I'm not really sure how I feel about these brake lines here. There really ain't much I can do with them. They're a little bit too long. But I bought these clamps that came with the rear end while I ordered them. Figured I'd try to hold the brake line a little better, but it ain't too bad. I could always take them back off and reroute them if I need to. But let me get on to this brake line here. Alright guys, I got the brake line ran. Left me enough room up here. See where the brake booster and that sits. Right along the frame. And then basically came up and around, and I left enough here to where I gotta cut it where I need it. It's my first time ever running a brake line myself here. I don't think I did too bad, but now as long as I can get the flares right. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow morning try to get the rear end in. Alright guys, it's been a long last couple of days here. I finally got the rear end under it. It wasn't fun. I got my old brake line hooked up back here. And went to go put the shocks on now. And as you can see, they are rubbing the back of the caliper. So now I gotta figure that out. It's always something. But I do have the rear end under it, so I'm happy about that. It was a long few days. This side here, the shock fits perfectly. I mean, I don't have it on, but. And then there's the also the subframe connectors are on. I still, after I get all the weight off the car, or off the jack stands, I gotta drill a hole into the frame where the subframe connector is on each side. But so yeah, there's an update there. The rear end is under the car, but now I'm going to have to do some research on some shocks. And then once I get that done, I can lower the car down. I gotta figure out my drive shaft. I gotta order universals for it. And then start under the hood, taking the brake booster and all that, or the old master cylinder, get ready for the new brake booster. I also got new headers, so I think I'm gonna put those on before I change the, actually they're right here. But I think I'm gonna put them on before I put the brake booster on. So But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully I get these shocks figured out and start making some progress here. It's supposed to be warm this week, so. But thank you guys for watching.